The Unitree R1 Humanoid Robot has arrived, and it's shaking up the robotics world with its shockingly affordable price of just $5,900. This groundbreaking humanoid robot boasts incredible features for its price point, including customizable appearances and impressive skills. Watch it perform handstands, like the Unitree Go2 Pro robot dog, and deliver punches and kicks like the Unitree G1. This humanoid robot is available in a standard version and a fully loaded EDU version for developers and institutions. Looking for the best humanoid robot of 2025? The Unitree R1 may be your answer. Get your hands on this cutting-edge technology. Purchase links are in the description below. Don't miss out on the future of robotics. This affordable humanoid robot represents a massive leap forward in accessible robotics technology. Want to build your own robot applications? The Unitree R1 might be the perfect platform. Check the description for where to buy the Unitree R1. Stay ahead of the curve with this game-changing humanoid robot from Unitree.